Hi, I'm Anupa and now I'm going to make a very special recipe, nice creamy paneer tikka. It is such an easy recipe, actually all family members just enjoy it. So for the marination, I'm using cream cheese. And to this, let's add some ginger garlic green chili paste. Let's add some roasted gram flour. So once we've mixed this up together, let's add some lemon juice also. So after adding the lemon juice, let's just whisk this up into a smooth marinade. So here the marination is done. Cream cheese is not salty, so you have to add a little bit of salt to the marination. Along with that, I want to add a pinch of green cardamom powder and the marination is done. Easy marination for a quick recipe. Let's add in some pepper. Along with that, I'm going to add cubes of paneer. So you got to ensure that you apply the marination generously over the paneer and the pepper pieces. Well, we're done with the marination. So we've got satay sticks soaked in water for a simple reason that it doesn't burn when we cook it. So one piece of pepper we are going to skewer like this. Cube of paneer. Well, this is done. So I've got a tawa here and we'll add some oil to this. So let's place this here. Well, the flame has to be a little high or else the paneer will go tough. And also you got to be attentive because you got to keep on turning this and cook the paneer and the pepper at the same time. Same thing with this one as well and this one as well. Just look at the color. Amazing, and the aroma, I tell you, is to die for. So this is how we got to cook this. We just have to keep on turning this regularly, and this as well. So let's switch off the heat and we'll arrange this onto a beautiful plate. I've got some onion salad here as well. And if you want, you can also serve this with some green chutney. Make this recipe in your kitchen and I'm sure you all are going to love it.